You have no idea how excited I was to get you here because I knew you'd be back. It was going to be the comeback story of the year, but your speed and performance just aren't where they need to be. I'm sorry.
We're talking about speed on a simulator. Listen how crazy that sounds.
Look, I'm trying to help you. As your sponsor, yes, but also as your friend. Your racing days are coming to an end. Every time you lose, you damage yourself.
Damage the brand, you mean?
Oh, Lightning, come on. You've done the work. Now move on to the next phase and reap the reward.
The racing is the reward, not the stuff. I don't want to cash in. I want to feel the rush of moving 200 miles an hour, inches from the other guys, pushing myself faster than I thought I could go. That's the reward, Mr. Sterling.
Oh, Lightning, come on.
Look, I can do this. I can. I promise. I'll train like I did with Doc. I'll get my tires dirty on every dirt track from here to Florida. I can start right there on Fireball Beach, where all the old greats used to race.
Get your tires dirty. That's how you're gonna get faster than Storm?
Yes, exactly. I mean, sacred dirt, right? Mr. Sterling, if you care about my legacy, the one that Doc started, you'll let me do this. I promise you, I will win.
I don't know. What you're asking, it's too risky.
Come on. You like it, I can tell. It's got that little comeback story of the year feel to it, doesn't it?
One race. If you don't win at Florida, you'll retire?
Look, if I don't win, I'll sell all the mud flaps you got. But if I do win, I decide when I'm done. Deal?
Deal.
Thank you, Mr. Sterling. You won't be sorry.
Just one thing, and this is only because I don't like taking chances. You're taking someone with you.
You talked him into it! Way to go, Mr. McQueen!
Cruz.
You could talk a snowmobile into an air conditioner.
You're going with me? With that thing?
Yeah? You still need my help. You're brittle, like a fossil.
I don't need a trainer out here, Cruz.
You're old. What if you fall on this beach and can't get up?
Well, life's a beach, and then you drive.
Oh, McQueen.
Thank you.
This is beautiful. I can see why Mr. Sterling said you wanted a train out here. As soon as this thing's booted up, we'll get you on the treadmill and I'll track your speed.
What? No! The whole idea is getting my tires dirty. Real racing. I'm not driving on that thing when I've got the sand and the whole earth.
Oh, okay.
Luigi, let's do this.
Welcome, racers, to Fireball Beach, historic home for today's great test of speed. Our finish line will be the abandoned pier in the distance.
All right. Quicker than quick. Faster than fast. I am speed.
That is great self-motivation. Did you come up with that?
Yeah, I did.
On your mark, get set, go!